and today I'm going to search up if there's going to be a second movie to my movie. Let's search up. Okay, let's do this. Will there be a Encanto 2? Are you serious? It's not announced yet? Are you kidding me? I want to know everything. Like, let's look on images. Who is this? Who the heck is this? Ah. Well, there's me and those kids. And then there's me playing the accordion. So far, no evidence. I'm gonna look up. I know this might not be it, but I'm gonna look up Encanto 2 release date. There's me again. Woody, you need to shut up. Why did you just laugh? Are you kidding me? No Encanto 2? I'm officially offended.